would be helpful kasi I mean not everyone has the capacity to continue their collegiate or bachelor's or their bachelor's degree. So and I know some people basically in my network that would really be a good beneficiary of those kinds of projects. So dapat naman talaga by the end of like the schooling, there should be a job that we would be waiting for those graduates regardless of senior high graduate lang ba siya or college graduate. Kasi currently I think we're low when it comes to those job opportunities that are waiting for recently graduates. So
Yeah, and then dapat if mag-open sila ng ganung program, wag na silang yung parang may experience ba, yung ganon. Dapat kung mag-offer sila ng ganung program ngayon, kagaya ng sabi niya, helpful yun para sa iba kasi syempre yung mga kulang sa budget and such, kung mag-offer sila ng ganun, it will be really nice.
Siguro sa akin, siguro yung pagkatag doon, kung paano siya i-implement, siguro mas mahihirapan ng government since maraming tayong kinakarap na problem, specifically sa city natin. Then kung sakaling yun ang magiging programa ng pamahalaan or national government, I think mas mahihirapan. Siguro, pag-aralan mo nang mabuti bago nila i-implement.